Hello everyone, this is a video on how to install the Holosun HS407K X2 red dot. You're going to have to do some modifications to the plate that comes with the Canik if you want to install this red dot. What I did is you're going to have to remove the optics cover plate that's on the slide, and I took a dremel. You can use snips or small scissors, wire cutters, or whatever they are. And but yeah, the Dremel is going to be a lot easier. Just have to shave it down just a bit, just to make sure that it's flush. So when you put your optic onto the plate, that it sits nice and flush. You don't want any water damage, any sand, dirt, grime, whatever it may be, slip under the optic itself. What I did right here is just test fit it, make sure that it feels good. I don't feel anything. And then I had and grabbed the Holosun, added on just to test it out and make sure it fits properly. Check it and make sure that everything lines up correctly. Sorry about the audio. I was having mic issues, so yeah. But anyways, this is a great red dot. It's the 6 MOA dot. It's a shake awake. I think it turns off after 10 minutes of non-operation or non-movement of the firearm itself. Yeah, and it comes with 2 sets of screws. The first set that I tried was the one that I'm picking up on with my right hand right now. That's really thin. I don't know the size of them, but you want to install the one that's on the left. It's a fatter screw. Just make sure that that everything fits. I use the tool that comes with the optic, and I went ahead and torqued it down afterwards to 15 inch-pounds. I went ahead and turned it on so you can see the dot. Obviously through the camera it's not gonna pick it up correctly, but it's gonna look a little bit blurred, bigger than what it really is. What's great about this Canik is that it comes with that mag well that you see up on the screen. So I installed it with the screw that, everything, that firearm comes with everything that you need. You don't really need to do anything else except you want to do some upgrades, some aftermarket parts. Taylor Freelance is a great one. Freedom Smith for the trigger, but really you don't really need a trigger unless you're going to do some competition shooting. But I think I still might pick up a black one. This is cool because it comes with a mini Canik toy that holds everything that you need for changing things out. Like I put the magwell on with screws that it comes with. It's a pretty cool little toy. The magwell just slides on. There's other magwells like the Taylor Freelance where you put at an angle from the front and then clip it on or unscrew the screw. You have to put an insert into the grip, the back straps, but this one you don't. Slides on. Just put everything away, kept everything safe. So I can go ahead and use it for next time. It's like a little maracas. And there you have it. That's how the magwell looks. Went ahead and inserted some magazines just to see how it looks. That's the flush 18 rounder. That's the 18+2. I also got some other magazines with different base pads from Taylor Freelance. I'm looking at getting the Neo Signature Series base pads from them. They look really nice. Yeah, that's it. This is everything that it comes with, minus the holster. Forgot to put the holster in it in the picture, but yeah, you get the point. So yeah, that's the install. It's very simple. Hope you like this video and enjoy all the Caniks that you guys have got. I got like 5 or 6 of them, maybe 7 or 8 along the way coming. Y'all have a good day. Hope you like this little video I put for you guys. Take care.